Hey guys, so no fancy intro or outro for this video so that we can just hop right into the tutorial on how to design an IG profile pic just like the one Will Smith has. So as you can see here, this is the current profile photo on Instagram that Will Smith has at the time of this recording. And then this is what I designed using this as inspiration from a photo, which technically is a screenshot, by the way. So it doesn't even have to be fancy. You guys can recreate this using some basic equipment, okay? And keep in mind, you can customize this as well to fit your own brand colors. All right, so start off with your photo. In this particular case, again, I have the screenshot here, which is a screenshot from a video, so I'm clear as to what I'm talking about. And again, as long as the photo is straight on and you have good lighting, that's all that matters, okay? What we want to do is isolate myself from the background. So we're going to remove the background by going to Edit Image in the upper left-hand corner, and then BG Remover. Keep in mind, this is a Canva Pro feature. So if you're not paying for Canva, alternatively, you can go to remove.bg and do this for free. And if you want to try Canva for free for 30 days and see how you like it before updating to Canva Pro, check out the link below in the description or in the comment section. All right. Now that I'm isolated here, I'm going to put myself to the side just a little bit. And I now need to put myself in a circle frame that's going to kind of mimic the profile dimension. So we're going to go to Elements, and it's probably going to usually start up here, but you're going to scroll down to Frames and then select the circle element. Okay, it's going to pop up on the screen automatically once you click on it. I'm going to put it to the side here. Now I need the color of the background, and in this particular case, Will has this nice canary yellow color, which I mimicked. But in this video, let's do something a little different just so I can show you what it looks like. And we need it in the frame, or in the shape, of a circle. So the keyboard shortcut for a circle is if you press C on your keyboard, a circle pops up, and it's going to be the exact same size as this frame, by the way, so you won't have to do too much rearranging. So just go ahead and click on the upper left-hand corner to change the color, and then select the color that you desire. So let's do that one for this video. Now I'm going to pop it right on top of the frame. Okay, just make sure it's evenly on top so you can't even see the frame in the back. And then while I have it selected, I'm going to position this backward, okay? All right, and now you can't see the circle, and you'll see in a second as to why. We're gonna now take our isolated subject and drag it into the frame, and now you can see that the colored circle is the background of the frame as well. I'm a little off-centered, so if your subject happens to be off-centered as well, just double click on it, and then you'll see it kind of grayed out on the outside, and then you can kind of adjust as you feel fit, okay? If you need to resize it as well, you can pull from any outer corner and you can do the same thing, all right? Let's actually just put this a little bit towards the center. Okay, great. All right, if you actually are satisfied here, you can definitely stop here. Obviously, we're gonna make this look like Will's. So to continue on, I'm gonna actually group all of these together. So I'm gonna just hover over everything and group that together. And then now that I have my subject selected, we're gonna go to Edit Image, and we're going to go to Shadows. If you don't see it here, scroll down until you see Shadows. You can either click See All, otherwise Glow. It's going to be Glow that we're going to be focusing on, okay? So if you see it like this too, you'll see Glow. Automatically, Canva is going to apply the presets that they have for the glow, but we need to change this for it to look like the one that we're mimicking. And so we're going to click on Glow again. And the size, it's about 11. So you can either scroll this to 11, or you can type in 11 here. As far as the transparency goes, we don't want any type of transparency. We need it to be solid. So we're going to bump it all the way up to 100, or you can type in 100. And then for the blur, we don't want any type of blur. We want it to be super crisp. So we're going to bump that all the way down to 0, or you can type in 0. Now, if you want black, you can do that. But obviously with Will's, it's not black, it's white. So we're going to change that color to white. If you click here and you don't see white pop up, it's going to be F 6 times. That's the hex code, okay? Or you can simply click here and just drag it out. Literally, if you drag it to the upper left-hand corner, same thing. And then as far as the scale, we're going to take that all the way to the right to make it larger so that it can fit more into the frame, and then press Apply, all right? So for mine, it's a little bit cropped here on the bottom. So the same thing that we did before, we're just going to readjust the image by double-clicking onto the image. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to apply, so just be patient, or click outside of it and double click again. There we go. I don't know why it does that, but sometimes it does. And then I'm just going to take this from the outer corner just a bit and then recenter this. And then that's all I need to get it to be within the circle, okay? Again, if you want, you can stop here, but just to put the final touch to make this look like Will's is we're going to make this black and white. So we're going to select this and we're going to go back to edit image, and then we're going to scroll down to filters and go to see all. And if you scroll down to street, that's going to be pretty close to what Will has. And then if you click on street again, you can bump the intensity, up to 100 or type 100. And that's a little bit closer to what he has as far as that darkness goes. I can't talk today, you guys. And that's it. This is how you design an IG profile pic just like Will Smith's. And again, you can create your own coloring to it. And yeah, it's pretty spot on.